The journey, the giants, and the golden age. The journey begins. And discoveries await beyond the horizon of time. September 5, 1977. A single rocket rises from Cape Canaveral, Florida. It carries not just metal and circuitry, but the dreams, questions, and courage of an entire species. It carries humanity's oldest desire, to reach the unknown. Its name, Voyager 1. Alongside its twin, Voyager 2, it was destined to become one of humankind's greatest triumphs. A mission that would travel farther than any before, and reveal realms of space no human had ever seen. At that time, the outer planets were shrouded in mystery. From Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune appeared as faint, blurry dots through trembling telescopes. To touch them was unthinkable. To photograph them, a dream. Voyager's mission was clear yet audacious: reach Jupiter and Saturn. Capture their images. Study their atmospheres. Send their data home across billions of miles. It was bold. It was fragile. It was hope, sealed in metal. Engineers built it with the finest tools the 1970s could offer. Its computers were weaker than a modern wristwatch, yet its heart, its design, was stronger than time itself. Every bolt, every sensor, every line of code was written by human hands that dared to defy gravity. Voyager was built to last 5 years. But it refused to stop. It refused to die. And so began one of the greatest odysseys ever told. The journey through giants. Voyager 1 approached Jupiter, the king of planets, a swirling colossus of storms and lightning. It witnessed thunderheads larger than Earth itself, and lightning bolts stretching thousands of miles across. It saw the Great Red Spot, a storm that had raged for centuries, a living hurricane older than human civilization. Then it turned its gaze to the moons, tiny worlds dancing around the gas giant. One of them, Io, was alive with fire. Volcanoes erupted from its surface, spewing molten rock into the blackness of space. For the first time, humanity learned that moons could breathe, that they could move, change, and burn with energy. Voyager's cameras captured miracles. Its data reshaped textbooks. Its discoveries rewrote our understanding of the solar system. And yet, the journey was only half done. The spacecraft turned its lens to Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. As it drew closer, the planet's rings glimmered like threads of light. Once thought solid, they were revealed to be billions of icy fragments, each one reflecting sunlight in perfect rhythm, each one dancing in cosmic harmony. Voyager turned a mystery into a masterpiece. Every photograph it sent back was a postcard from the frontier of creation. Every signal was a whisper saying, "We are here. We have seen. We understand a little more." Voyager 1 had already achieved more than anyone dreamed, but destiny had a farther path in mind. It would not stop at Saturn. It would not turn back toward home. It would keep going, outward, past the edge of sunlight, into the eternal night. Beyond the edge, years passed. The planets faded into distant points of light. The sun itself shrank to a bright star in the darkness. And still, Voyager pressed on. In 2012, something extraordinary happened. Voyager crossed the heliopause, the invisible frontier where the sun's solar wind ends, and the realm of interstellar space begins. For the first time in all of human history, a creation of Earth had entered the space between the stars. The signals took more than 21 hours to reach us. Each one faint, trembling, traveling billions of miles through silence. But those faint signals carried stories, of particles, waves, and whispers from the unknown. The environment around Voyager changed. Charged particles shifted. Plasma grew denser. Magnetic fields bent in strange, impossible patterns. Among the data, scientists found anomalies, mysteries that defied modern physics. And then came the voice. Strange pulses. Structured vibrations. Signals that did not appear random. Physicist Michio Kaku, one of Voyager's defenders, noticed rhythmic patterns, beats that felt almost intentional. Were these natural waves of space? Or something aware? Some whispered that Voyager had touched the great filaments of the universe, invisible threads connecting galaxies across cosmic distances. Others speculated it had brushed against dark matter, the unseen mass that holds galaxies together but has never been directly observed. If true, Voyager 1, a 48-year-old spacecraft powered by dying plutonium, had become the first human creation to touch the unknown. And so began a new mystery. A new kind of discovery. The universe had started whispering back. The whispers, the message, and the legacy. The sounds came first, haunting plasma waves echoing through the darkness. They weren't random. They weren't noise. They were melodies, eerie, harmonic, ancient. Scientists called it the music of interstellar space. But some heard something more, a rhythm, a repetition, a pattern that hinted at intelligence. Could Voyager be hearing a message? Could the universe itself be speaking in frequencies beyond comprehension? Or were these the echoes of distant galaxies, ripples of ancient energy still traveling through time? The signals repeated. Not chaotic. Not accidental. But measured. Almost deliberate. Voyager 1 was no longer just listening. It was part of the song. The golden record among its instruments, one stood apart, the golden record. A message from Earth. A message from us. Engraved upon it, greetings in 55 languages, the laughter of people, the song of birds, the sound of rain and thunder, and the heartbeat of a mother and child. It carries music, Bach, Beethoven, and Chuck Berry, a symphony of human emotion sent into the void. It holds pictures of humanity, our oceans, our animals, our faces, our planet. It is humanity's bottle in the cosmic sea. A gift to whoever, or whatever, may one day find it. Plated in gold, built to last 1 billion years, it will endure long after the sun has burned out, long after Earth has turned to dust. Even in death, Voyager will continue to carry our voice. The cosmic ocean, the space between stars, is not empty. It hums with invisible energy. It vibrates with the remnants of ancient explosions. It sings with the echoes of supernovas. Voyager has recorded faint ripples, waves that move through the darkness like the breath of the galaxy itself. The boundary it crossed, once thought to be fixed, is alive. It bends. It shifts. It changes shape, influenced by forces seen and unseen. Some scientists believe these fluctuations come from dark plasma, a mysterious, invisible form of matter. Others think Voyager's sensors may be brushing against gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of spacetime. Whatever the truth, Voyager continues to teach us. It reminds us that space is not emptiness, but a vast ocean filled with energy, movement, and life. The final mission now, nearly 15 billion miles from Earth, Voyager still drifts through the dark. Its power fades. Its instruments dim. But its heart, a small plutonium core, still glows faintly. Each signal it sends takes 45 hours to return. Each command we send takes nearly 2 days to arrive. And yet, the conversation continues. Across the abyss, Voyager still speaks, a lonely voice whispering across eternity. One day, its signal will fall silent. But even then, Voyager will keep moving. A ghost ship, sailing the cosmic sea. Forever. The legacy Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a story. A time capsule. A reflection of everything we are. It carries proof that humanity once dared to dream, to build, to explore beyond the sky. It reminds us that even a small, fragile creation can survive the endless darkness, and carry the light of an entire world. So what did Voyager 1 truly discover? A hidden law of physics? A cosmic structure beyond our sight? Or something watching us, as we have always watched the stars? One truth remains. The universe is alive with secrets and wonders we are only beginning to hear. Voyager 1 is our messenger, our echo, our eternal challenge, to keep looking up, to keep wondering, to keep exploring. Voyager 1, humanity's voice.